Grindlebone here. Well, here's a fun Godonkin experiment that you can try with your friends and family. You're sitting at home and the doorbell rings and it's your neighbor, and your neighbor says, "You've got to help me. My brother-in-law is an illegal, and if they catch him, they're going to put him in an internment camp. You have to help us." You're sitting at home and your doorbell rings, and it's your neighbor. And he says, "You have to help us get out of the state. My wife has just had a septic miscarriage, and no one will treat her, and she's going to die if we don't get her into another state." Your doorbell rings, and your neighbor is there and says, "You have to help us. My son is trans, and they're going to take him away from me and forcibly detransition him. We've got to get out of here." What do you do? What do you say? And if you agree to help them, on what resources will you rely? Who can you trust? Where can you go? And how? These are questions to ask yourself now, not after the 20th of January. Is any of this real? Nonsense. It's just a bunch of silly parlor games. Until they're not. Grindlebone, out.